Hello everyone. In a previous video I talked about how connecting to the snickerdoodle would be easiest over Linux, especially Ubuntu, but in some cases you might just be more comfortable with Windows, and so in this video we're going to talk about how to connect to the snickerdoodle directly from Windows using the USB connection. So let's go ahead and look at that. Okay, before we do anything, we need to make sure we unplug the snickerdoodle, make sure it's not plugged in, and then reboot the computer. So go ahead and do that and then come back and we'll install the driver. The snickerdoodle actually interfaces with the USB through the STM32 platform controller, and so you need to go over to ST's website. I'll provide the link in the description here, and you'll need to create a free account, and then you can download this driver, this STM32 COM port driver. You download that there, and I've already done that. And then you need to extract that download, and I'll show it to you here. You can see I downloaded a couple times here. And just go ahead and move that to a location and extract that. And after it's extracted, go ahead and open up that folder and run this setup. And you can also check out this README, and it'll give you some tips for what you need to do to install this. So we'll go ahead and run that. Okay, it ran on the other screen for you, but I didn't have to do anything. You just go ahead and click next, and I've already done this, so it's going to look a little bit different, but that's all there is to that. Okay, after you've run the setup, there's another step we need to take. We need to navigate to where that driver got installed, and it doesn't actually, this doesn't actually install the driver, it just puts the files where they need to go. We now need to go actually install the driver. So we're going to navigate to, on a Windows system, it's going to be under the C drive or wherever your main drive is, Program Files, x86, and then we'll find the ST Micro software virtual COM port driver, and I'm on Windows 10, and there's not a Win 10 version here, but the Win 8 version works. And then we need to run this one right here that ends in the AMD 64, and that would be for a 64-bit system. So go ahead and run that. And I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. Next, we're going to navigate to our system here. Devices, and actually, no, I'm sorry, I want Device Manager. And it keeps on showing up on the other screen. You can see, let's see here, I don't think this is showing up at the moment. Now I'm going to plug in the snickerdoodle. All right, you can see that changed there, and it's going to be under the COM ports here. You can see under it's a ST Microelectronics Virtual COM port, and it's on COM 5. Okay, now COM 5 is important. We need to note that. And then I'm going to bring up TerraTerm. Okay, here I am in TerraTerm, and I'm going to create a new connection. It's going to be a serial connection. You can see it came up automatically as COM 5. For some reason, if it didn't, you'll need to select COM 5, because remember our driver said it's on COM 5. Now for you, it might be on COM 3, it might be on COM 4. It just depends on what else you might have connected. So just go ahead and hit OK there. And then I just hit enter there, and now I'm plugged into the snickerdoodle, and we can just see what we got here. There, we're connected to the snickerdoodle on COM 5, direct connection over USB, and so that's about it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, support the channel if you can, and we'll talk again real soon.